Hi guys, I am Philip. Today I am going to explain about the guitar sound processing Android app, which is free in Google Play Store and which is the best for the beginners who started learning about the Android app guitar processors. The name of the application is DEPLIKE. DEPLIKE is a guitar amp and effect processor for mobile Android or iOS systems. And DEPLIKE will turn your mobile device into a guitar amp and multi effects processor and give you stunning tones. For this DEPLIKE, you need an Android supporting hardware like JOYO I and IRIC. Before I start, you may raise a question. How can we install this app? That's very easy. You just go to Play Store in your Android app, select Play Store, then type DEPLIKE. You will get a app list. Then install the app, the Sharp on Guitar Effects Pedals DEPLIKE. I am going to show you about the DEPLIKE software and its features. Just go to home page of your Android mobile and select this icon DEPLIKE. It's opening. Okay, you will get the page like this. There are some 4 or 5 lists on the top of the stock amp, equalizer and delay effects. That's all. First, in the in this list, the second one is the amplifier, third one is the equalizer. Have to set these 3 things stable. You have to set it as a constant one. Now just go to the amp, stock amp. In this amp you can see the 5 knobs. You can see 5 knobs. That's gain, bass, mid and treble, volume. If you want to raise a volume, you have to raise it from 0 to maximum level. It's very easy. Have to vary the sound level like this. If you want to increase the gain, then you can increase the gain by doing it like this. Okay, now we are going to see what are the amplifiers and the effects available in this software. You just click on add new. You can see the lists: amplifiers, distortions, modulation, pitch, dynamics, delay, echo, reverb, equalizer and looper. First we are going to see about the amplifiers. Amplifier, what it will do, it will amp the sound. It will amplify your sound. If you want to select any one of the amplifier, just I am going to select this bass by. I like this bass by amplifier, so I am going to add this amplifier. You can add only amplifier in this free version. You can get the 6 knobs. You can adjust this normal, bright, bass, mid, treble, presence, whatever you want. You can adjust it and you can get the stunning tones. Now after setting the amplifier, you have to set the equalizer volume level. Okay, whatever, you can adjust your tone. You can get a new tone by adjusting different tones by adjusting this equalizer. Okay, then if you want, you can have to power on the delay time. You can see the indicator light, LED light. Just click on it, it will on. Then you can adjust the delay time, mix and feedback. Once you set on amplifier, you have to adjust this equalizer and delay at a time. You have to set the tone and the echo levels as you want. Okay, now we are going to add other things. Okay, distortion. In this distortion there are lists 1 2 3 4 5 lists are available. If you want to add, means you can buy, and it will cost. And then first of all I select this full blast. Okay, after 3 we can add this distortion effect. You can add only one amplifier, an equalizer and delay effect, but you can add other processes like distortion and silencers. You can add all the processes if you want. In this you can see 3 knobs. In these 3 knobs you can adjust from 0 to 10 level. You can adjust tone from 0 to 10. You can adjust distortion level from 0 to 10. If you want to play simply, means you can decrease the distortion level, and if you want hard distortion effect in your app, means you have to raise your distortion level. Now if you want to remove this full blast distortion effect, if you don't want for this playing, means you can remove it simply by doing like this. Okay, I am going to add another processes, that is we have added amplifiers, distortion I have added, we have seen that. Then modulation there are some lists 1 2 3 4. For the first one is auto wah effect. Many guitarists like this effect, wah effect. You can produce lot of sounds, different sounds using this auto wah effect. I am going to show you how to add this auto wah effect modulators. Okay, the modulators. In the auto wah effect you get 2 knobs, wah and level. If you want maximum wah effect, you adjust the knob from 0 to maximum level. Now the level of that is, it's like volume. You can raise as you need. If you want to remove this auto wah effect, you just click on the auto wah and remove like this. Then pitch, it's a transposer. You can say it as a transposer. If you are playing in the guitar in the C major scale, but you want to hear it as in D major scale, you can adjust it. How can you adjust the transpose level? You just add the processor, the transposer, and adjust the pitch from plus minus like this. Okay, you can adjust it from 0 to 12 levels. If you want to remove this transposer, you just remove like this. Then we are going to see about this dynamics. In dynamics you can see silence, sustainer, compressor. The silencer, when you play the guitar notes, when you get the sound in the amplifier, you need a silencer, sustainer and compressor. You need all these units. Why you need these units? The silencer silence the noise of the guitar. If you are playing the guitar sound in the distortion processor, it will make a noise. For this, you have to silence a noise. You have to add this silencer, and whatever you need, you have to adjust for the silence. If you are playing in some level, you just check by adjusting the knob, and you can silence the noise. Now I am going to add the sustainer. The sustains just on the sustainer. You can adjust the level from 0 to maximum level. Then I am going to add dynamics compressor. If you add these three things, you can get a better sound. You have to select a better amp and better equalizer and delay. These three are constant. You can add only one equalizer available in the free version. You can add many. There are many delay effects available. You can add many delay effects, but the amplifier is, you can add the amplifier 1, and you can add this dynamics. You can add the dynamics, the silence, compressor and sustainer. Whatever the dynamics, you can add it and adjust output sound level to the as you need. Then I am going to remove this, remove all the things. Now I am going to add the delay and echo. Delay, I told you, no, there are a lot of delay available. You can buy it in the app store. In this app store, I have already added this delay. It shows that it's added. There is a tape delay available. If you want, you can add it. My opinion, that's if you add only one delay, it will good. It will give you some stunning down sounds. Superb. It will be super. Okay. Now we are going to see you about the reverb sound. If you want the reverb sound in your guitar, you just add this reverb processor in your guitar. Just add it. It is added. You can adjust the damping level, and you can mix it. You can adjust it for the room size. If you adjust the room size, the tones will be changed. Like it's a good processor. You can add only if you add only one reverb sound, it will be better. Now I am going to remove this processor. Now we are going to see about the equalizer. There is only one equalizer is available. If you want the equalizer more, you can buy it in the app store. That's all about the software. Using this software means you have to buy hardwares like JOYO I. In my next video, I will show you about this JOYO I, how we can connect this JOYO I with Android DEPLIKE app. Thank you.